Alright guys, I have an important announcement to make, and I've been thinking long and hard about it, and just to be more true to myself and more true to you guys, I am going to end Drone Adventures. Yep, Drone Adventures is now ending. Goodbye. No. Not like that. Like, the channel Drone Adventures is still going to be around. I'm just changing the name. And what am I changing it to? I'm changing it to Scotty Renner. Hold on. Ready? Here it is. A new brand. I just wanted to be true to myself and true to you guys. The original idea behind Drone Adventures was every weekend, just go on some adventure and go fly somewhere. Well, that didn't work out as well as I planned, and I just want to expand it more. And so what we're going to do is, as you can see here, we're going to do how-to videos. We're going to keep doing drones. We're going to add some vlogs, video editing, and photography. Those are my passions. Those are my desires. And that is what I want my YouTube channel to be about. And that's what I want this to be here for you guys. So you guys can join in on the adventure. You can join in on the fun. So we'll still be doing drone stuff. It just won't be called Drone Adventures anymore. Instead, it'll be called Scotty Renner. Hope this doesn't affect our relationship at all. I'm still here for you guys. If you need something, just comment below. If you have suggestions on videos you think I should go and do, feel free. I'd love to hear from you. So comment below. Also, make sure if you're not subscribed, you do subscribe. And we will see you in the next video.